Good morning, everyone. Today we are gathered here for Social Science Activity Week on the topic Manipur, the land of jewel. So let's begin.
Festivals of Manipur. Manipur Sangai Festival. It is one of the vibrant festivals celebrated in Manipur. The festival celebrates art and culture of the state. It was started in November 2010. Its major key attractions are Kabri Naga dance, bamboo dance and various sports. Ningol Shakoba Festival. In the month of November, on the second day of new moon, married women are called back by their parents' place along with their children for a feast. This festival celebrates the bond between the daughter and their family. Its major key attractions are home cooked food, Iromba and Shemford.
Chumpa Festival, celebrated a week long by the tribes of Tangul Naga. Chumpa Festival is one of the most popular festivals to be celebrated in the state of Manipur. This festival is celebrated to show the joy inside people at the time of harvesting the crop. Key attraction of the festival: music, dance, and rituals done by the women from the tribe. Gang Nagai. It's a festival celebrated by the tribes of Kabul Nagas. This festival is celebrated to cherish the customs and tradition of the tribe and to honor tribe's ancestors. The festival is celebrated for 5 consecutive days by singing, dancing, grand fest, and other programs or games among the tribal people. Key attraction of the festival: dance, music, and the colorful attire worn by the tribes. Lui Nagaini. It's a festival celebrated at the time of sowing seed by the tribes of Manipur. It is a way of praying to the god to be in favor of farming. Celebrated with fun and enthusiasm. The festival is celebrated by Naga tribes in 3 different languages, all meaning the same. Key attraction: folklore dances by the local.
Dance form of Manipur. Ras Leela, popularly known as divine dance. Ras Leela is an important part of a traditional Manipur culture, and its uniqueness can be visibly seen in every aspect of the dance form, be it the costume or the mood. As per the report, Ras Leela was first treated as a dance form in 1779 by Rajashri Bhagyachandra, an 18th century Methi monarch. The dance depicts the connection between individual soul with the spirit of Supreme Being. If a true faith is developed during the performance, eye-catching stylish movement can be seen. Thangta dance, known as art of sword and spear. This Manipuri traditional dance features a wide range of material arts and weaponry in their performance. From metallic sword to a wooden spear, this dance employs a dazzling display of steel and sparks as they soar among each other.
Luivat Fizek dance. It is one of the most popular dance forms of the Thangkul Naga community in Manipur. This shows simple lifestyle and different stages of cultivation of the community. It is performed during all traditional festivals of Manipur. Shem Lam dance. It is popularly known as fly dance. It is the traditional folk dance of Rongme community. Performers adorned with bright colorful traditional costumes spin in circles around each other while they follow the rhythm of the chanting singers in background. The men dance proudly to the music with a ritual knife in their hands, while on the other hand, female dancers follow the beat with their twirling hands in the air. Pangcholam or drum dance. It is a famous dance style of Manipur which involves dancing and playing a drum simultaneously. Pangcholam is also a combination of sound and movement which demands acrobatic skills as it requires jumping and swirling.
Famous folk songs of Manipur. Khuleng Eshai, which was sung in ancient time in rural areas to show their love. Lai Haroba Eshai, which contain the lyrics with veiled references to show or symbolize mysticism and was sung especially by tribal groups in ancient time. Pena Hishai was also a popular folk song which is sung using an instrument called pena, which is basically made up from a wooden rod and a shell of coconut. This pena may represent the rich culture and heritage of Manipur. Beside the several other folk songs such as Nopi Pal, a women devotional song, Gaurpads, which is sung to praise Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Dhop, which is sung by using a jhal, a large cymbal. Manohar Sai is another important class of song devoted to a 19th century man of the same name. Khuba Keshi is a kind of a song accompanied entirely by clapping. Many people of Manipur had tried to preserve the rich heritage by singing and listening this song. Some of the Manipuri singers who had played an important role in preserving the folk song is Mangaka Mayang Lambam. Languages and dialects of Manipur. Language Manipuri, locally known as Meithilian, is the official language of the state. Although it is spoken mainly by the people of the valley, yet it also serves the purpose of a language amongst all the other communities. The language is also the principal medium of instruction at all stages of education. The dialect spoken in the Imphal region is considered as the most standard form of speech of this language in comparison to its other dialects such as Thangakul, Himar, Peth, Lushai. Early Manipuri literature was consisted of ritual hymns, cosmology, and histories in both prose and poetry.